Are you struggling with the PrimeNG autocomplete component not clearing its value? You're not alone. This is a common issue that many developers face, and today we're going to tackle it head-on. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when your code doesn't behave as expected. You might have written everything correctly, but the autocomplete still holds onto its value. This can really slow down your development process. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. A user wrote code for an autocomplete feature using PrimeNG. They mentioned that while they can clear the suggestion variable in their method, the input value in the autocomplete doesn't clear unless they select from the suggestions. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what could be causing this issue? The problem often lies in how the autocomplete component is designed to interact with the model. Understanding this will help us find the right solution. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. You won't want to miss it. To address the issue of the autocomplete input not clearing, the user should first ensure that the method responsible for clearing the suggestion is correctly implemented. This method should not only set the suggestion variable to undefined, but also trigger a change detection. Next, the user should check if the autocomplete component is properly bound to the ng model. This ensures that any changes to the suggestion variable reflect in the input field. Additionally, the user can implement a method that listens for changes in the input field. This can help in clearing the input when the suggestion variable is updated. Finally, the user should test the implementation by clearing the suggestion variable in various scenarios, such as when the input is cleared manually or when a new search is initiated. Fun fact, did you know that the first autocomplete feature was introduced in the 1980s? It's amazing how far we've come in making user interfaces more intuitive. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using the onClear method to reset your model values. When you clear the autocomplete input, this method will be triggered. This function will only be called when you clear all values from the autocomplete list. This should help in ensuring that the input value is cleared as expected. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative solution from another user suggests upgrading your PrimeNG version to 1.1.1. This update should resolve the issue of the autocomplete input not clearing properly. Here's that tip I promised. Always remember to clear both the model and the input value when working with autocomplete components. This will save you from headaches down the line. And there you have it. Your PrimeNG autocomplete should be working perfectly now. Remember, keeping your model in sync with the input is crucial. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.